So the question today is, does it matter if you win by 1 point or 50 points in binary trading? Let's go deeper. So after some thought, I'm thinking that it absolutely positively matters how much you win by on your trades. I know binary options, hey, you only got to be right by, 1 point, right? If you're higher than whatever price, you win. I know you guys have heard me say, hey, a win is a win is a win. So it's always great to just get a win. But you'll hear this a lot in sports and basketball in the playoffs. They'll say, hey, if we won by 1 point or if we won by 10, it don't matter, it's a win. Or if we lost, it's normally the loser. The loser's like, hey, yeah, we got blew out tonight, but it's just one loss, we'll come back tomorrow. But let's say that same team blows you out 4 times in a row. You got swept. And if they blew you out 4 times in a row, they were clearly better. So if we take that and put it to trading, let's say you have a trading setup that, hey, it's winning at like 50%, maybe 55%. And you notice that you get a lot of 1 point wins or 1 point losses. No. Let's say you get 1 point wins, 2 point wins, but then when you lose, it's just a total blowout, Well, if you take 50, 100 trades and that seems to be the case, maybe that setup isn't the best setup. It may be working enough to keep you afloat. Maybe you're profitable. But if you're barely winning on your setup, that may not be the best setup. What I have noticed, because this is for those who are new to the channel, we're doing a range phase summer. I've been taking nothing but range phase setups since June 21st. And so what I have noticed is that I'm winning by a mile. I'm hitting, well, this is what I do. You can't see it, but when the video's going, I be home running. These are home runs. So I'm winning by 50 points, 100 points on many of these range phase. And then I win then I win the close ones, I win the base hits, and then I win some I shouldn't. I very rarely are getting just blown out. Every now and then, if I just completely call it wrong, you'll see me get blew out. But typically I'm hitting home runs, and it's because of the setup. That setup produces big wins, not just a win by a point or two. Like basically this setup I need to move this setup back to 4x. So that or futures, so that every point counts more, because I could be making a lot more the way this range fade is going. So that's my point. That's why I always say price action works anywhere. We found this trade here with the pocket option broker with the percent payout type of binary options trading. But if I was to take this over to futures, where every point is worth $50 and I win by 20 points, 30 points, you see what I'm saying? You catch my drift? So it does matter how much you win by. And if your setup is barely squeaking you by, you may want to check out a different setup. So that's the thought for today. It does matter how much your trade wins by. So let's take a look at a few examples today. Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. Today is July 18th, 2023. Time to clock in and go to work. See what we got here. All right, see what we're doing here. Yeah, see, we've had one. This is too. Actually, like this right here. It's Euro Swiss. Is it bouncing off the top right now? Yeah, nope. Don't know where the top is at. Top really should be here. Bottom is here. So 1 touch, 2 touch, looking good. Didn't make it to the top, didn't make it to the bottom. This will be the 3rd touch. If it was to make it, problem is, look at the beautiful EMA barreling down on us. Start. Okay, I like what I'm seeing here on the Euro Swiss. Even though we didn't make it to the top here, it did the same thing here, and we got almost to the bottom. So if we get our red, green, red pattern, we're gonna have to take it going down. Only question is, do I take it at 5 or 10 minutes? I think 5. That's a 5-minute trade typically. 92%, 5 minutes. If we cannot, if it stays under. See what it does. Staying under the EMA. All right, here we go. I think we may come up to the top here. But if we get the high, push down, come up, lower high, huge signal candle back down here. Close lower than here, I'll go. If not, then we're just making a trend up, trend break, and it's gonna retest the new highs. It's come up to the top of the range. Couldn't do it. I bet we're finna get a big red down. So with this candle, we see rejection. This candle, we see rejection. We got the high, push down, lower high with rejection, rejection. Nice signal candle. This is our 5-minute setup. Locked and loaded, 92%. Let's go. This is exactly what we thought we would see. 5 minutes. We're in. 5-minute setup, off the high, push down, lower high. Hopefully we can get 5 minutes in this direction down. Final candle. So that makes for a pretty good Tuesday. That was a home run. You know, that one is over the fence there. We might have went over the scoreboard on this one. Perfect call. We had the high. We had a nice push down. We had a lower high. This high is lower than this one. Beautiful signal candle to say go. All happening under the EMA. Perfect setup. Red, green, red down. Beautiful setup. So if you want to learn how to read price action trading like this, first subscribe right now. Thank you. And then, hey, go to my website, jdhyder.com. Check out the course, IOTS, Price Action Trading System. And it would allow you and teach you how to read a price chart. Don't think about the trade I just took so much, nor the setup. Think about the fact that I was able to read the price chart. I was able to read the market to tell what it could possibly do next. You know, I was able to look at the high probability that we probably weren't gonna make it up to the top. You know, because we had a trend up, 2 legs back, new high. Everything was in play, and then we got the push down EMA. Hey, EMA again is gold. EMA gave me the signal. I used the EMA, which is the only indicator I use, and boom, home run trade. All right, what we have here is the Aussie Dollar. We've come off the bottom twice. We do have a range top here. So what I'm expecting is we got the green, red. What we needed here was a beautiful signal candle to come up, letting us know that we are going higher. Here it comes. There it is. And coming off the bottom twice. So this trend down, trend break. One. Ooh. Beautiful signal candle. Got the low, pushed up, come back, higher low, right above the EMA. We're going higher, 5 minutes. So locked and loaded. All right, we are in. This is our 5 minute setup, expecting to test these highs and come to the top of this range. what we have here is the second home run of the day. Looks like this thing is gonna make it all the way to the top of the range without even a pullback. That's a home run. That's a Barry Bonds right there. Quote Kanye, here's another hit, Barry Bonds. All right, we have, we are to the kill zone. Should I take a short right here? It is quite tempting, but I actually didn't like this range. It was kind of too small to me. As you see, we got to the top in 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. So the range itself was small, but it worked. This is the final candle. I could take this short. As we see, the EMA is a mile away, but I've just hit my quota for the day. 2 solid good wins. No reason to possibly give anything back at this point. Man, although this is an undeniable signal candle. Man. Yeah, I ain't trying to get trapped. So, until next time. This is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the sudden. Since I already said that, I'll keep it short this time. But yeah, this was a beautiful trade. We got the low, pushed up, came back, couldn't close under the EMA. That was the sign. Rejection. Then we got this beautiful signal candle up, and the rest was easy money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look like I should have took that short coming back down. All right, great trade. Again, home run, Barry Bonds.
We would like to thank you for tuning in to another Increase episode with JD. If you want to learn how to price action trade, please visit www.jdhyder.com and you will find his brand new course, IOTS, Price Action Trading System. We thank you again, and as always, we wish you increase on the sudden.